In our production, we use different solvents like isopropanol or acetone. If you want to find out why, stick around and we'll check it out. For micro-optical components, it is crucial that the individual parts are absolutely clean. This is especially the case for the adhesive joints. We regularly use different solvents, and in contrast to cleaning surfaces at home, in micro-optics this can be a science in itself. Depending on the type of contamination, we have to choose the right solvent. And to show you this, I've prepared an experiment. Here we have 3 solvents: distilled water, isopropanol and acetone. Those are 3 typical solvents, I would say. And on this slide here we have some black varnish. And if I now try to remove it with water, nothing happens. If I take isopropanol, almost nothing happens. But when using acetone, it completely does the job and removes the varnish. So now coming to the second experiment, we have some permanent marker on this slide, and as expected, water doesn't do anything. If I now take isopropanol, it removes the permanent marker as well as acetone. So now the question is, which one of the 2 solvents should I choose? And one reason to choose, for example, isopropanol over acetone is the base material. For example, for some plastics, they will be harmed by acetone, like this keyboard from the production, where accidentally some acetone was spilled over it, and the keys are completely welded to each other. So this would be a reason to choose isopropanol, if I have the choice. So the third experiment now, here we have some sugar on the slide, and what I want to show you is that not always the hardest or the strongest solvent does the job. If I use acetone, nothing works. If I use isopropanol, the sugar stays on the slide. But if I now use water, the sugar is removed completely. There's a common rule which says similar dissolves similar. This has to do with the electronegativity of the solvent as well as the contamination. So this means you have to choose the right solvent for the right job. One point or one advantage of isopropanol is when it vaporizes, there's almost no residue, which is not always the case for acetone. And so, as I showed you that all the 3 solvents, they have different characteristics, it is absolutely normal to combine different solvents in a cascade, and so you have the optimum cleaning result for your parts. I hope you learned something today. If so, please leave a comment, like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in one of the next videos. Bye bye.